Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Today we're taking a look at a Kizer. This is the Kizer Cozy. Now this is a Carlos and Azo design, and I tell you what, I just picked this one up at Blade Show West. It's been one that I've kind of seen. I was like, okay, I think I want one to check that out. Got one in hand, and I was like, yep, absolutely. Now this one is the Green Micarta. Green Micarta's got more of the flat scales to it. The black G10 version, contoured scales, both had a pretty good grip. Now, I'll be perfectly honest with you. The black G10 version with that contour, maybe, I think, had a little bit better feel in hand. But you guys know me, I just really, really like the micarta. So, you've got the kind of green-ish micarta here. They call it green micarta. Do have a lanyard hole reversible deep carry clip with those recessed screws. Thank you very much. We enjoy that. But lefty love and lanyard love. Everybody's going to be happy with this one, hopefully. Now, as you can see there, I said these scales are pretty flat. They are. These are flat micarta. Now, everything is chamfered off really nice. Now, the liners do sort of letterbox it a little bit. They stand just a tad proud. Nothing too major, nothing that I would really call annoying or anything like that. Got a stainless backspacer, stainless liners. Got a little bit of jimping there for a little bit of pop, a little bit of flair. That's all good. Flipper knife for sure. As you can see, you do have jimping. Now, you do have jimping here kind of for the push button, and you do have a little bit on top as well. But, I mean, as you can see there, those scales are chamfered off very nicely. Done pretty well. Now, detent, yeah, that's pretty nice. Detent is pretty solid. Yeah, I have not had an issue with this one failing at all. You can flip it. You can light switch it, I guess. Push button-ish. It's more on the light switch mode, but there you go. Now you've got a really nice 154 cm blade. Yes, nice drop point, nice wedge. Just kind of look at that blade. Of course, you have the Kizer marking there on the blade. Now, as you get there, it is. It's the Cozy. Now you have the Azo, the Carlos design. Get a little bit closer look at that. There you go. But overall, it's just a really nice looking knife. Now, like I said, I'll touch on the ergonomics here real quick because I mentioned it before. This has a really good feel in hand. For me, it's really nice. The contour G10, maybe just a slightly better with that contour. But I just really like micarta. And this micarta, done very well. Really nice grip on that. Since we're showing it, ample access to that lock bar. No problems there. Really good access. What are we locking up at? I'll give it 25-ish. 20 to 25%. Everything's locked up really nicely. No issues there. You do have some jimping that extends out pretty far. So if you really want to get that thumb forward, you do have some jimping there to kind of assist in your grip. You can choke up, but you're going to have to be really careful. Because, I mean, yeah, you can trigger that flipper tab, but you are really close to the corner of that blade. So if you're thinking about choking up, just be careful. Just be careful. So we're going to slide this back a little bit, and we're going to take a look at our overall specs. So what are we looking at as far as overall size? You're looking at about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 3/4 ish. I'm going to give it roughly about 4.5 on the handle. Should give you about a 3 1/4 inch blade, and your cutting edge, just over that 3-inch mark. So grip length, what you're looking at? You're looking at 3 3/4 ish, 3.5 to 3 3/4, and there you go. That's how it looks in my 3 3/4 inch hand. So yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Super super feels good in hand. I'm digging it. G10 might have been a little better. Shh, don't tell anybody. Anyway, I don't want to hurt its feelings. Anyway, so you got the PM2. PM2 is a little bit larger knife, pretty close to a 1/2 inch on the blade, and a 1/4-ish inch on the handle. Gonna get our bug out there, which means, yeah, the cozy's gonna be just a little bit bigger than the bug out. Just a hair on the blade, as you can see there, not much, and 1/4 to 3/8 on the handle as far as overall length. We'll get a weight on it real quick. We'll check and see if we could get any more. We could lose any weight. I mean, I know I could lose some weight for sure. 3.9 overall and 110 grams. So we're going to take a look on inside, see what we've got for milling going on. I mean, it's got some decent weight relief in there. He maybe could have dropped a little bit more, but 3.9, nah, it's not bad. Feels really good, carries really good. Now, I have to be honest with you, I didn't carry this one a whole lot because, like I said, I picked this one up at Blade Show West, and on SKL on Saturday of Blade Show West, I just ended up giving it away. I said, I might want to review it, take a look at it, make a video, and then I'll get it to you in the mail. So, Mike, yeah, it's coming to you, my friend. Hopefully, by the time you see this, it will be in the mail to you. Yeah. Ergonomics, yes. Really good. I'm digging the ergos. Action, not bad at all. No issues with the action. Opens, access to the lock bar. I mean, those are my two biggest things. Ergonomics has to be the biggest one for me, because if a knife isn't comfortable, you're not going to carry it. You're not going to use it. So, no issues whatsoever. Clip. Let's talk about the clip a little bit. Ergonomically, not an issue for me. As you can see there, that's kind of how it lands. No issue. I know it's there, and that's about it. It's not a hot spot, nothing like that. It just has a really good feel in hand. You know, it was close. It was close. This was actually the last one they had. This was the table model, the display model. And when I asked him, he's like, oh man, that's the last one. I was like, okay. You know, I picked it up, messed with it a little bit. I was like, I can't be mad at that. It's been flipped quite a bit. Yeah, I'm not mad at that at all. It's solid. There's no wiggle, no wobble, no nothing. Yeah, I'll take it. And here it is. And Mike, it's coming to you, my friend. I tell you what, guys, Kizer is doing some really, really good stuff as of late. Yeah. I still need to get my hands on a drop bear. I got to find one of those because I really want to check that one out. That one looks really, really nice. I love it's got a little bit more rounded blade than what we see here on the Cozy. Handle, maybe kind of similar, but it just looks like a knife I really, really, really want to look at. So, anyway, guys, really, really appreciate you stopping by, taking a look at the Kizer Cozy with me. Another really, really good offering. I mean, these things are selling for what, $75? For 154 CM, micarta. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So, again, thanks so much, guys. Always appreciate you stopping by and checking out what old Big Red has to show you. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Till next time, guys. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.